C98, USDT Overview. Signal cost, like, comment, share, and subscribe to support this channel. Trading style, spot. Target time frame, approximately 1 month between take-profit targets. Entry levels, 0.1074 to 0.1420. Take-profit targets. Target 1, 0.2009. Target 2, 0.2375. Target 3, 0.2803. Target 4, 0.3150. Target 5, 0.3522. Stop level, 0.0647. Key to successful trading. Carefully analyze the market using simple lines, trend lines, price channels, and support resistance levels. Recommendation. After reaching each take-profit target, move your stop loss to your entry price or the last one to protect profits and limit losses. Note: enter after a pullback for better results.